Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to transfer Tether from your Tangem wallet to Bitrue. Tether is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and Bitrue is a reliable exchange for trading. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step, so you can do it confidently and securely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Tangem wallet app installed on your device and that your Tether is already in your wallet. If not, you'll need to acquire some Tether first, maybe from another exchange or directly. Once you're ready, open the Tangem wallet app and navigate to your dashboard. Look for your Tether balance. It should be listed under your assets. Tap on it to select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Next, head over to the Bitrue website or app and log in to your account. Go to the deposit section, usually found in the wallet or funds area, and select Tether. Bitrue will generate a unique deposit address for you. This is crucial, so copy it carefully. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, and one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Now, back in the Tangem wallet, hit the Send button. Paste the Bitrue deposit address into the recipient field, and enter the amount of Tether you want to transfer. Double-check everything: address, amount, and even the network. Tether is often on Tron or Ethereum, so ensure it matches. You'll see a fee estimate. These can vary, so factor that into your decision. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometric authentication. After you send it, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a few hours to appear in your Bitrue account, depending on network congestion. Always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer for peace of mind. A quick tip: never share your private keys or recovery phrases, and always use the official apps to avoid scams. This process is straightforward, but staying vigilant is key in the crypto world. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.